Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you my best Antidetect browser for running CPA self-signup, for managing my multiple social media accounts, and for running multiple survey accounts without any issue. And for sure, I've been using it for CPA marketing here, and I can even refresh the page here that you see is the same as my account. There is no edits. I'm refreshing once more. It's an actual account. So the thing which has enabled me to do all this is this browser called AdsPower. Is because they have unique user agents which are not the same. They provide unique user agents which are not related to each other in any form or in any way, such that if you're running a profile, yeah, there's no detection that you're using multiple accounts on the same user agent. You can see they support Apple, Mac OS, iOS devices. They support Android devices, Windows, and so much forth. So these are my many profiles which I've created using them. And so I want first of all to delete them, all of them together, so that I can now show you more cool features about AdsPower. So in this video, I want to show you how to create AdsPower profile for running survey accounts, and also the second part of the video, I'm going to show you how to create bulk AdsPower profiles for doing CPA self-signup, and how to automate clicking of your CPA self-signup using your AdsPower profile browsers. Now, first of all, let's start with the how to create a survey profile on AdsPower. So just come here, write surveys you need. Then you can just say survey 1 or whichever title you have. Then they support two type of browsers. This is a Chrome-based browser. Flower browser is a Firefox. Then select the operating system you need. You see, they have very many versions of Windows. The same for Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. And like other tech browser which only supports two versions of an operating system, these ones have several in each of the operating system. Then user agent can leave it all, or you can even select it yourself, and the system is going to, if you select it yourself, it's going to set up everything for you. But if you leave it all, the system is going to give you a unique user agent. Now, once you do that, you scroll down as usual, go to proxy. You can either use your saved proxies, yeah, like this means you click manually, or you can use custom proxy, whereby you input your own proxy, like this. So just come to your proxy here, click on it, then paste, and also check your anonymity online before even proceeding. Once you are sure that, WebRTC, you can either put replace or disable depending on the kind of work you are doing, but for surveys always use replace. Then all the other setup, leave them the way they are, like this. Yeah, when creating a profile for survey, don't enable this feature here, so that you can be able to maintain a unique user agent as long as you're using that particular profile. If you're using PayPal or YouTube or anything, maintain the same user agent, so don't enable this feature. This feature is only enabled when doing CPA self-signup, which I'm going to explain later in this video. So don't go off the video, keep it tuned. I have more info coming up. Now, once you do this, click OK. Once you click OK, just launch your profile, just like that. And the profile opens like this. And that's how you open a profile for surveys using AdsPower. So you can repeat the same procedure for opening your second survey profile, third, 10, or depending on the number of profiles in your account. So that's how it's done, like that. Now, I know most people want to see now how to create bulk ads profile account for doing CPA self-signup, and how you automate clicking of links on those particular profiles. Now, first of all, let's click bulk profiles. So under bulk profiles, you need to have proxies on your account. So first of all, go to proxies, add proxies, yeah, like this. Let me do it manually. Let me show you. Come to your proxies, which are SOX 5 or whichever, paste them here, then click OK. Then your proxy will be added. You see, this will help us in creating automatic profiles. So now go to your bulk profile create feature here. This is a very awesome feature. Come to quick create. My profile has a maximum of 12 profiles, so let us create like 11 of them. Then select the browser. Remember, in CPA self-signup, we need many operating systems. So I'll click Windows, I'll click Mac OS, I'll click Android, and I'll click iOS here, Apple. So under user agent, I always leave it random. The system is going to assign you randomly unique user agents. Then under custom proxies, you can either add your proxies yourself manually, which is a lot of work, or you can come under saved proxies. Remember how you added proxies here? When you click saved proxies, and you click random, the system is going to automatically assign each proxy to each profile. Also, if you have time, you can do it yourself. You can come and say custom, whereby just under each profile, you'll be able to select your own particular proxy. But randomizing is the best because it's going to automate the whole process. Once you're done, always click replace for bulk TC when doing CPA self-signup or disabled. Most people use disabled, but I like using replace. Whichever option you use is the best, is good, depending on the kind of a site you're working on. Then all the other features, leave them the same. Then at the bottom feature here, the one I talked about, having a new user agent is always good here, so that every time you cross and open your browser, it will be having a unique user agent. And that's very helpful for CPA. So once you're done, just click OK. And then you see, you'll be having 11 unique profiles, each with a unique user agent. Now, the next step now is to automate your profiles now. So since as a demo, I want to open like 4 profiles. These 4 profiles here. Mark, you can even open all of them, but for demo, I want to open the 4 profiles. Let me open them. Let me wait for them to open. So I will now show you how to automate self-signup using AdsPower browser. It's a very cool feature. Now, once your browsers are open like this, scroll down to synchronizer here. Yeah, and all your open profiles, you'll be seeing them here. You see you see here 101, 100, 99, 98. You can see them here. So click on each of them, then click start sync. It's very, very important. Once they are synced, go to tabs here, enable this widget here, come to Windows, then you can arrange them either in overlapped, which is not very pleasing, or you can come here and say grid. Grid is the best. They will be arranged in grid form, like this. You see, they're in grid form. You can be able to see everything under one screen here. Yeah, so grid is the best. So once you do that, go to tabs. Go and get your CPA offering. For example, let me go and get my CPA offering, this one. Copy it, paste it here, and then scroll down. Now, if you click this feature, if you enable this feature, the link is going to be opened on the same tab here. But I want us to open it on a different tab. So let me first of all put this widget to be floating on our screen. This widget. You can enable this. You can be able to put it back or on depending how you need. But I like it having to be floating for easy demonstration. Now remember here we came and posted our CPA link. Then I want us to disable this feature because I want you to see it opening on another tab. So let's disable that one. Now, once you click here, you automate opening of your CPA link on several browsers on a click of a button. So you see, if you check now, let me minimize this one. You see now, we have clicked and the link is opening automatically on all the 4 browsers simultaneously. So let's see what's opening. You see, all of them are opening at the same time. That's how you automate driving traffic to your offers using what? Using AdsPower on a click of a button. So this is an email submit offer. So you can just now proceed with your process, just like that, within a click of a button. Yeah, it enables you to complete many tasks under very few minutes. Yeah, so that's the magic about AdsPower, and that's why it can help you to make income either on surveys, on running affiliate marketing, or for your monitoring your affiliate offers on social media accounts, and so much for. Yeah, so guys, that's the update I had for you today. And for the widget here, you see it's floating here. Let's go to my software. It's floating here. I can also close it and it will come back here to the console. So guys, that's how you manage your CPA self-sign up using AdsPower automation profiles. By automating AdsPower profiles using the synchronizer automation feature. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's informative. And before I even end the video, AdsPower are running a very crazy discount on their 7th anniversary. So if you buy a package for 90 profiles for 90 days, you're going to be added an extra 30 days. Yeah, and given a 10% discount. So for 90 days, you're going to buy them for $26. And after you buy, you'll be added a bonus of 30 days. If you buy for 90 days access of the profile, you'll be added an extra 90 days. For 360 days, you'll be given an extra 1 year of 360 days. So basically, if you buy now, you're going to renew it in 2028. Yeah, at a very cheap price of $100 for 360 days. For 180 days, with an extra 190 days is $49. For 90 days, with an extra 30 days is around $26. And on their website, they have the fairest pricing ever. You can see the lowest pricing starts from $7.2 per month. For the free profile, you only get 2 free profiles. But their monthly subscription is very, very cheap. So at the video description of this video, I'm going to paste the link for registration for creating an account on AdsPower. You can use my link. I'll be very much grateful. Or you can just create directly an account on AdsPower. If you use my link, it's just a form of appreciation. I will just appreciate the support you give me. But it's not a must use my referral link to register. But if you use it, I'll be very, very much grateful. So guys, that's the information I had for you today. Consider checking out AdsPower, try them out, and give me the feedback under the comment section of this video. I always reply to all the comments I get under the comment section of my videos. So thank you for watching and keep it locked to my next video.